Silicon Valley's architectural secret isn't in the latest tech campus. It's hiding in plain sight in 1950s Eichler homes. I'm Barbara Weidman with Compass, and I just proved how powerful these mid-century gems can be. These aren't just houses, they're architectural masterpieces. Joseph Eichler revolutionized Silicon Valley, living with floor-to-ceiling glass walls, open beam construction, and those signature atriums that flood homes with natural light. The indoor-outdoor flow that tech executives crave today, Eichler perfected it 70 years ago. But here's what most people miss the restoration opportunity. I recently sold 814 Gail Avenue in Sunnyvale, a beautifully restored Eichler that we transformed with modern improvements while preserving its iconic design. The result? 12% above asking price in just 9 days on the market, one of the top sales in the area at $3.4 million. Ready to unlock your Eichler's potential? Let's discuss how your home can achieve similar results with my concierge level of services to handle and assist every step of the way in preparing the property. Contact me, Barbara Weidman with Compass, today to schedule a no-obligation strategic marketing plan. Are you considering a move in the upcoming months or near future? Let's talk.